Take a moment to check out the 2018 GMC Yukon. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This comfortable, capable three-row Yukon delivers spacious luxury and the rugged strength you need for bigger towing jobs. Tech-savvy, secure, and packed with creature comforts, your family will look forward to every excursion in this handsome SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, fog lamps, 8-cylinder engine, rear AC, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, rear-wheel drive, vehicle anti-theft system. Feel relaxed and in control when you're behind the wheel of this well-equipped Yukon. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.